That's the stuff. Whew. Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. Yeah, I know. It's early, I'm tired, it was a long weekend, I need a coffee real bad. And I got a lot of work to do today. So come on, let me tell you what we're about to do and get into. Well, you're probably wondering why I'm standing in front of another FJ55, and your first question probably is, Jonas, you bought another Landcruiser. No, I didn't buy another Landcruiser. In fact, I'm using this one for parts. We're gonna be stripping this truck today to bring back my other two trucks. It doesn't look like a whole lot, but it does have a lot of rare parts, so we're gonna pull all that stuff off today. So follow me along. I mean, this thing, this is my first look at it myself. Oh, it's got some mud daubers there, look at that. Frame's not atrocious. Got a gas tank. Those guys. That doesn't open. Oh yeah, that's nice. Look at that. That's actually decent shape. Sweet. Really nothing in here, huh? Got the rubber mats, that's good. Toyota seat belts. There's no motor or trans in this thing. It's interesting. Oh, look at that automatic sunroof. I think sweet.
Please, no! 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 No!
Well, we're going along at a pretty smooth pace right now. Got the whole basic bottom of the interior out. I'm gonna work on getting the dash out. As you can see, we already got the bezel and the gauge cluster out. Next, we're gonna work on pulling the tailgate out. I do want that for the red and white truck. It looks fairly complete. I'm praying that the window gear is not broken. So we did go ahead and try to put power to the rear glass mechanism, and that did not work. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out manually. It's four bolts here and should drop the glass. So where are we at right now? The truck is basically stripped. We got to do all the dash stuff, all the heating stuff. We did pull the front windshield already, as you can see. As you saw in the red and white truck, I do need that. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the light, dome light. I don't think this headliner is very good. Still got to do these windows, the quarter windows. Got the good tailgate off, which I did go ahead and test directly once I got the whole mechanism out, and it does in fact move up and down, so that's positive. I'm praying that gear stays together. I'm probably gonna go ahead and solve these fenders to get this lip for the rear. That's somewhat good. And then we're gonna work on the engine bay. As you can see, there's not a whole lot left in here. There's a coil, some wiring stuff, but basically all stripped out. I'm not sure if that box needs to come off. But yeah, that's basically what's left in here. Got piles of stuff. We are gonna go ahead and take these off. From what I understand, a lot of the guys, when these trucks first came out, cut these out and put buckets. So these are somewhat rare these days in decent shape, which I know it's rusting out, but it's actually still there. So we could probably weld that in. So still working through it. This is nothing like stripping an FJ60. Totally different monster. Everything is rusted, beat to hell. It just doesn't want to come free. Wow.
Not the buttons! Not my gumdrop buttons! All right then, who's hiding them?
You know what's fun about stripping trucks you've never done anything to before? Is you learn a ton about them. I know that I've stripped plenty of FJ60s and 62s in my day. Again, this is my first 55, but you learn about how simple things are put together or how difficult they are put together. A lot of times I'm not too afraid to break things or try a different way to get something out, and that's honestly the best way I've learned to kind of work on these old rigs. There's a fuse block. So this is what's left of the pig after the whole day of picking. It's been several hours. She is completely picked dry, only the bones. Done some cuts, got seats, mats, steering column, radiator, everything's been cut out of it. Cut the front bumper off, rear bumper. Frame's okay. There is some good metal here. From what I understand, the gentleman that owns this truck and has let me come and help him pick it today, he's gonna be sending the rest of this to the scrapyard. So if there's other stuff that you might want, you're welcome to reach out to me for cuts, or honestly, I think he wants to see the whole truck go as a whole. So he's willing to sell the entire thing as a roller right now. All right, it's the end of the day finally. It's been one heck of a long day cutting up a FJ55. I know it hurts my heart too that we had to cut it up, but all those parts will live on in other cruisers. That's the way I'm seeing it. So, like I said at the beginning of the episode, I will be using a lot of these parts on the two FJ55s that I have. Here's all the FJ55 parts that I'm taking home. It's been awesome learning about these trucks all day. I'm really excited to go and get my other trucks back on the road a little further. I always say, if you like this type of stuff, I'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe, like, and share these videos, as it keeps me motivated to get dirty like this and pull trucks like this all apart. So cheers, and we'll see you in the next video.